Why do some people seemingly create wealth out of thin air? They're not pulling rabbits from hats or finding pots of gold at the end of rainbows. They're using something you probably interact with every day: the digital world. Are you ready to unlock the wealth secrets from the riches? From eBooks to cryptocurrencies, subscription services to virtual real estate, the digital sphere is brimming with opportunities to build your own empire. And you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Well, the secret isn't magic, it's digital assets. Digital assets are the secret to modern wealth creation. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, the potential for wealth creation is limitless. The key lies in understanding and leveraging digital assets. But what exactly are these digital assets? Think of them as intangible possessions that exist solely in the digital realm. These assets are diverse, ranging from eBooks to YouTube videos, subscription services, and even cryptocurrencies. They are your virtual treasure chest, holding vast potential for creating wealth. Each of these digital assets is a key that can unlock the door to wealth creation. They hold a unique power to generate wealth, each in their own way. The trick is to understand their potential and learn how to harness it effectively. Each of these assets holds a unique power to generate wealth. Imagine writing a book once and earning from it forever. This is the magic of eBooks, a digital asset that has revolutionized the way we consume literature. But more than just a convenient reading option, eBooks present a wealth creation opportunity like no other. By self-publishing an ebook, you bypass traditional publishing barriers, giving you direct access to readers worldwide. You don't need a printing press, a distribution network, or a bookstore. All you need is a compelling story or valuable information and a digital platform to share it on. The beauty of this digital asset lies in its earning potential through royalties. Every ebook sale generates a royalty, a percentage of the sale price, which goes directly into your pocket. And the best part, these royalties keep coming in for as long as your ebook is available, creating a passive income stream. Your words, forever immortalized, continually building your wealth. Your creativity can be your cash cow. Now that's a thought, isn't it? Let's dive into the world of YouTube videos and subscription services. Two digital assets that can generate income while you sleep. Picture this. You're passionate about something. It could be anything from cooking to tech reviews or even your journey as an entrepreneur. You start a YouTube channel and begin sharing your passion with the world. Before you know it, you've created a community of like-minded individuals who tune in to see what you have to say. And here's the kicker. Each view, each subscription, can translate into income. But how, you ask? Well, once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can start earning ad revenue. Plus, there's the potential for brand collaborations, sponsorships, and even fan funding. And YouTube isn't the only platform where you can turn your creativity into cash. Subscription services are another digital asset that can provide a steady stream of income. You could offer premium content, exclusive access, or specialized knowledge in exchange for a monthly fee. Think of it as a club where members get to enjoy perks that aren't available to the general public. It's a win-win situation. Your subscribers get value for their money, and you get to monetize your passion. The beauty of these digital assets is that they embody the concept of passive income. You create the content once, but it keeps earning for you over time. It's like planting a seed that grows into a fruit-bearing tree. Keep in mind, though, that building a successful YouTube channel or subscription service requires consistency, quality, and most importantly, authenticity. It's about creating a connection with your audience, offering them something that enriches their lives in some way. So are you ready to turn your creativity into your cash cow? Remember, in the world of digital assets, there's no limit to what you can achieve. All it takes is an idea, a dash of passion, and a sprinkle of perseverance. Create once, profit endlessly. Welcome to the future of finance and property. In the digital age, assets aren't just physical anymore. Cryptocurrencies, cloud storage services, and virtual real estate are becoming increasingly profitable avenues to build wealth. Let's start with cryptocurrencies. With Bitcoin leading the pack, these digital currencies have become the new gold rush. As decentralized digital money, cryptocurrencies offer an exciting opportunity for investment. They allow transactions to occur directly between parties with no need for a middleman such as a bank. Their volatility can offer high rewards, but remember, with great rewards come great risks. Next, we have cloud storage services. In an era where data is king, Cloud storage services have become the new fortresses guarding this precious resource. They offer an invaluable service, providing businesses and individuals with safe, accessible, and often cost-effective storage solutions. As an investor, owning a piece of these digital fortresses can be a profitable venture. But it's not just about storing data, it's also about creating digital spaces. That's where virtual real estate comes in. Just as you can buy physical land and property, you can now purchase virtual real estate in various online worlds. These digital properties can be anything from a plot of land in a virtual world to a swanky digital penthouse. As more people immerse themselves in these virtual worlds, the demand for virtual real estate is soaring, making it a potentially lucrative investment. But remember, investing in these digital assets requires careful thought, research, and risk management. Just like any investment, there are no guarantees. However, the potential upside could be considerable. In conclusion, the digital world is continuously evolving, and with it, the definition of assets. Cryptocurrencies, cloud storage services, and virtual real estate are just some of the digital assets that could help build your wealth portfolio in the new age of finance and property. The future is digital, and it's profitable. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Thanks for your support. Art and collectibles are no longer just physical. This statement rings true as we delve into the fascinating world of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, digital photos and artworks. In the traditional sense, art and collectibles have always been seen as tangible assets. You could touch a painting, feel the texture of a sculpture, or examine a photograph in your hands. But the digital revolution has transformed this concept. Today we're witnessing a surge in the value and importance of digital art and collectibles, thanks to the advent of NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets that reside on a blockchain, the same technology that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Each NFT is distinct, carrying specific information that sets it apart from any other NFT, making it non-fungible. In simpler terms, NFTs are like digital certificates of authenticity and ownership for virtual or even physical assets. Now let's talk about digital photos and artworks. As a digital artist, your creations are no longer limited to physical canvases or galleries. The digital world is your oyster, and NFTs are your pearls. By tokenizing your digital art as an NFT, you can sell it on various online marketplaces, reaching a global audience. This process gives your artwork a unique identity and value on the blockchain, ensuring that its ownership can be traced back to you, the original creator. The potential to create wealth through NFTs, digital photos, and artworks is immense. You could mint a digital photo or artwork as an NFT and sell it for a substantial sum, or you could become a collector, investing in NFTs that you believe could increase in value over time. The key is to understand the market, stay updated with trends, and most importantly, create or invest in work that resonates with you. In essence, the realm of NFTs, digital photos, and artworks is reshaping how we perceive art and collectibles. It's empowering creators with a new avenue to monetize their creativity and offering collectors a new form of asset to invest in. Your creativity, now a quantifiable asset. The digital realm offers endless opportunities for wealth. One such avenue is through software programs. Picture this: a program that simplifies a complex task or solves a common problem. It's no secret that in our fast-paced world, convenience is king, and people are willing to pay for solutions that save time and effort. This is where software programs come in. When we talk about software, we're not just referring to big-ticket items like operating systems or graphic design suites. Think about mobile apps and browser extensions. These smaller, more specific pieces of software can be incredibly profitable. A well-developed app that fills a niche market can generate a steady stream of income. And the beauty of it? Once it's created, it can continue to earn money with minimal upkeep. Now let's shift our focus to domain names. Domain names are essentially the address of your online real estate. They direct users to the websites they need to go. A catchy, easy-to-remember domain name can be a game changer for a business. But here's the thing, there's a limited number of domain names that are short, simple, and meaningful. This scarcity, combined with the ever-increasing demand for online presence, creates a golden opportunity for investment. Buying and holding domain names that have potential value and then selling them to the highest bidder is a practice known as domain flipping. It's akin to investing in real estate, but the property is virtual. Just remember, with both software programs and domain names, it's all about identifying a need or spotting an opportunity before others do. The digital world is, after all, a dynamic one. Trends come and go, technologies evolve, and what's hot today might not be tomorrow. So keep your eyes open, your mind sharp, and your fingers on the pulse of the digital world. In the digital world, even names hold value. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of digital wealth? The key takeaway from our journey is this. Digital assets are not just fleeting trends or fads. They're the building blocks of the digital economy, and they hold immense potential for wealth creation. They're accessible, versatile, and scalable, making them an essential part of any modern wealth-building strategy. Remember, the key to wealth is in your hands, or rather, at your fingertips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.